Now would be a really good time to come up with a question. I'm really enjoying this workshop from a different perspective than I've ever experienced one of your seminars from before. In part, it's because now when people come into the hot seat and ask their question, the answer that you give them is the experience I've already had. And I'm feeling more momentum of, I really am empowered, whereas I wasn't before. And I really know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
And I didn't know that before.
It isn't as difficult as anyone is making it.
It's so damn easy to have an amazing life.
Yes, yes, yes. That should be the banner. It's so damn easy to have an amazing life. That's an expectation that will serve you. That is an expectation that will serve you.
It has been. And so I had an experience recently that I want to ask you about with, I'm really focused, I can tend to be intense, and I'm usually able to allow that intensity to come out more as passion, which evokes wonderful things for me. But I had an experience recently where it worked out really well, where I had a time period where I would be distracted. I was going to be online, I was going to have something I needed to have a little bit of my attention, but lots of other attention is available. And a family member popped up at my home and was not feeling well. And by the time the family member left, her face was different, her body was different, she was feeling great, I was feeling great, sort of felt like, well, that was easy. But it was a big topic that she came to talk about. And so my question is, was my split attention beneficial for me in that situation? Because if I had really focused on what she brought to the table.
We don't think that's what it was.
Oh, good.
You can be in the receptive mode and have a variety of things that you're giving your attention to.
Yes.
Think what it's like for source energy. Do you know how many things that we are giving our attention to? Mm-hmm. Without splitting our energy. So different subjects don't split your energy. What splits your energy are different vibrational frequencies.
Okay, that clears up so much of my life experience, because some people say that there's no such thing as multitasking, and I feel like I'm doing 12 things at the same time, and I feel great about it.
That's the best flow that there is. When you get tuned in, tapped in, turned on, and you allow the universe to cause a convergence of so many things that you're interested in, so that you're just taking it all in, and you're wide open so that you're receiving it. That is the sweet zone. That's a sweet spot. That's what you all want.
Yes.
That's what you all want. You can mimic the multitasking that Source does. You can.
Okay. That's really delicious. I'm going to savor that one for a long
Another
time.
banner. Source is ultimate multitasker.
Okay, great.